If you've ever been scrolling through the Google Play Store and gotten annoyed by the automatically playing videos, whether they are just simply distracting to you or they use more data and overall battery life than you would like, then you'll be happy to know that you can disable the auto playing videos within the Google Play Store on Android by expanding this hidden side menu on the left and then going into the settings section. And right here you're going to see an option for auto play videos, which by default is set to auto play videos when you are on Wi-Fi. However, we can simply just select the Don't Autoplay Videos option to stop that from happening.